In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Google Meet Premium. If you've been considering upgrading to access more features for your virtual meetings, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the official Google Workspace website. You can do this by simply opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL. Google Workspace is essentially the backbone offering all Google apps and services in one neat package, making it a hub for everything from email to video conferencing. Once you're on the Google Workspace homepage, look around for the Products section. It's typically easy to spot since Google arranges its offerings in a user-friendly manner. Clicking on Products will open up a list of available services, and from here, you'll want to focus on Meet. Google Meet is the tool we'll be upgrading today, and it's what will allow you to access premium features for better meetings. After clicking on Meet, you'll be presented with a page that details all the exciting features Google Meet offers. This is also where you can try Google Meet Premium, labeled as Try Meet for Work. Opting for this feature will direct you toward the premium benefits specifically designed for professional environments, such as larger meeting capacities and additional administrative controls. Now that you've selected Try Meet for Work, you might notice an option to start a trial. This feature allows you to experiment with Google Meet's advanced offerings without a commitment, so you can see firsthand how they might enhance your virtual meetings. Starting a trial is simple and a great way to experience benefits like increased participant limits, advanced meeting recordings, and more without immediate cost. By this point, you'll be setting up your account and might need to provide some basic information if prompted. This helps configure the service to suit your needs. It's always helpful to have your billing details ready if you decide to continue after the trial period. With those simple steps, you've now initiated your journey toward a more feature-rich video conferencing experience using Google Meet Premium. Whether you're looking to enhance team meetings, host large webinars, or just streamline communication, this service offers a robust platform to meet your needs. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope that this guide helps you get started confidently. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and tapping the notification bell for more how-tos and tech tips. Have a great day and get ready to elevate your virtual meetings with Google Meet Premium.